Stop worrying about homework and start learning with confidence. This is Ask Learn. Complete help for every subject. Like, share, subscribe for daily learning videos.
So this question asks, from a molecular viewpoint, where does the energy from an exothermic reaction, and exothermic means heat is released from the reaction mixture. But this question asks, where does this energy heat come from, and why does the temperature of the system increase even though it's losing heat? And so the way that we start this is that energy of a chemical system is the sum of kinetic energy plus potential energy. And the potential energy is where this exothermic energy comes from. And so chemical potential energy arises from electrostatic forces between protons and electrons in the atoms and molecules that are in this chemical reaction. And in an exothermic reaction, there's bonds breaking to form new bonds. That's any chemical reaction. But in an exothermic, the protons and electrons are going from a higher chemical potential energy to a lower chemical potential energy. And so as these atoms and molecules rearrange, this potential energy savings that it's getting from being in a lower state convert into kinetic energy, which is released in the form of heat. And so because this heat is being emitted, that's detected as an increase in temperature. And so even though the system is losing heat, this heat that's being emitted will detect as an increase in temperature. And so that is where the heat in an exothermic reaction is coming from, and why the temperature increases even though heat is being released.